Empty a 7-ounce can of jalapenos into a colander and rinse well. Then be sure to remove the seeds. Chop your jalapenos and lightly grease a 10x6 casserole dish. Evenly spread your chopped jalapenos into your casserole dish. Then sprinkle a half cup Monterey Jack cheese over the jalapenos. Then an additional half cup of sharp cheddar. Beat 4 eggs and pour over the cheese. Then give a light shake to settle the ingredients. Give a few shakes of salt. Place the dish on a cookie sheet on the wire rack on level 2. Set your CSO to Convection Humid mode only, 325 degrees for 25 minutes. Then simply enjoy. I hope you enjoyed today's culinary adventure. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. I'm Eva, the Steamoven Diva.